How to prevent theft and insurance increases. According to the National Insurance Crime Bureau, the average cost of a piece of stolen heavy equipment is $30,000, and the average cost of a stolen general service vehicle is approximately $6,500. In addition, reports indicate that only 10 to 15% of stolen vehicles are actually recovered. This not only means that equipment is lost, but also that insurance costs rise for fleets with stolen property. Speed violations and reckless driving also increase insurance costs, as well as put drivers in danger. Navman Wireless provides fleet tracking equipment with anti-tampering features and offers alerts and reports that notify you of theft or speeding in real time. Let's see how these features work. When a vehicle or asset is equipped with a Navman wireless tracking device, that device indicates exactly where its corresponding vehicle is at all times. And when something unexpected happens, it triggers an immediate alert. In this example, a device's cover has been tampered with, and the device sends an alert in the form of the pop-up window shown here. Once alerted to the tampering, a dispatcher or fleet manager can contact the vehicle's driver right away to learn more about the situation. In this case, the driver reports that the vehicle has been stolen. The fleet manager can immediately take action and alert the authorities. Each pop-up message will be automatically logged into the vehicle's activity report for record keeping. To check on any unauthorized activities associated with a particular vehicle or asset, simply generate an unauthorized event report detailing that information. Users select the vehicles and events they wish to view, such as when vehicles should or should not be used, and create the report. In this example, the unauthorized event report shows when a specific vehicle was used during unauthorized time frames, how many times it was used, and the locations of usage. Unauthorized usage boosts fuel costs, increases wear and tear, and worst of all, may indicate instances of theft. In addition to theft, overspeed events are a top contributor to increased insurance premiums. By generating a peak speed report, fleet managers can identify and isolate incidents of speeding and then take action by addressing driver behavior within their fleet. To generate the report, users simply select the vehicles, time frame, and speed limit criteria they wish to view and click Create Report. Once the report is generated, it will display peak speed dates, times, locations, and amounts. In this example, it's easy to see exactly how many times the driver traveled 70 miles per hour or greater, and exactly when and where it happened. Multiple pages show multiple instances, and thus can be used to address a driver's behavior to help increase safety and decrease insurance premiums in the future. Next, a speed analysis report can be generated to display speed trends during a selected period of time. To create the report, users simply select the vehicles in their fleet they wish to review, input the speed bands, in this case between 65 and 75 miles per hour, and assign a top speed. Once completed, users can select the period of time they would like to study and then generate the report. By looking at this graph, it's easy to see what percentage of time the vehicles spent within the speed bands. The dark green bar indicates that this vehicle spent about 15% of its time traveling 75 miles per hour or more during the time frame, which provides some insight to the driver's tendencies and allows for the opportunity to address these concerns. With all of this information in hand, managers can actively track and protect their fleet's vehicles and equipment from theft and unauthorized usage. In addition, they can quickly and effectively monitor the behaviors of their drivers to help decrease insurance premiums, reduce fuel costs, and minimize excessive wear and tear, all while increasing the safety of their fleet.